absolutely love aviation. I love planes, but I also love the actual flying job. There's nothing like it out there. The reason why I chose Germania is because I've always wanted to work for a German airline, and I managed to get the job. It was amazing. It was such a euphoric feeling because my dream had come true. When I got here, it felt like a family. We're all one big team, and you don't feel like a number, you feel like a person here. Every day is completely different. Every day you meet new people, you're faced with challenges that you're not used to. Sometimes it can be stressful, but also if you deal with it, it's a fantastic day, and every day you get off the aircraft thinking, I've done a good day's job.
Es ist dieser Zusammenhalt in dieser Firma, das Familiäre, dass immer jemand für einen da ist, wenn man auch mal ein Problem hat. Das hat man nicht in jedem Job. Und natürlich auch die Passagiere. Das macht einfach wahnsinnig viel Spaß, wenn die Gäste sich bedanken, wenn sie einen verlassen. Das finde ich einfach wunderschön. 26 Jahre war es wirklich nicht ein Tag, den ich davon bereut habe. Und wenn man wirklich mal 14 Tage Urlaub hat, fehlt es mir. Es fehlt mir richtig wie ein Familienmitglied, das nicht da ist.
Rand in Reihe 18 gelöscht.
Working in a team at Germania means to be professional, but also have a lot of fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
I'm actually really well trained. I feel well trained in case there is an emergency. We have an education of 6 weeks, and we learn everything, like we pretend there's an evacuation. Knock, knock, knock. Hasn't happened so far at our airline, but I feel well prepared.
The training is exceptional. It's so concise and so informative that you really do feel ready when you come on board. And also, you really build strong friendships from training, and you've just bonded, and it's amazing. Germania is my family, my friends, but also my job. I never see it as just a company. It's so much more than that, and therefore Germania is just the one for me.